Easements give non-owners a permanent right to use another's property for such things as ingress, egress, running utilities, or even to maintain a view. We'll explore how this use is limited to the appurtenant property and the extent of the original right acquired in S.S. Kresge Company versus Winkelman Realty Company. A portion of Kresge's property consisted of an alleyway that connected a public street on the north end with his commercial lot on the south end. Another property owner south of the alleyway had a barber shop with additional living quarters who regularly used the alleyway for years. Max Tisch purchased this building and leased it to Sears as a retail store. When Kresge attempted to close the alleyway, Tisch sued for the right to use the alleyway to access the lot occupied by the Sears building. Because the years of use created a prescriptive right to use the easement, the court awarded Tisch a perpetual right-of-way, or an appurtenant easement, to use the alleyway to access the Sears property. This made the Sears property the dominant estate and Kresge's property the servient estate. Winkelman Realty Company later bought Tisch's property with the easement and converted the property into a men's store. Winkelman also owned other adjacent properties, which contained a department store and an appliance store. After purchasing the lot with the easement, Winkelman began using the alleyway to deliver merchandise for all its stores to the former Sears building and stored it there for later distribution to the other stores. Kresge sued Winkelman in the Marathon County Circuit Court to enjoin it from using the alleyway to benefit its property other than the former Sears lot. The trial court found that Winkelman wasn't authorized to use the easement to access the rest of its properties because this was beyond the burden placed on Kresge's servient estate originally acquired by prescription. Winkelman appealed to the Wisconsin Supreme Court, and Kresge asked that the judgment be modified to enjoin all of Winkelman's use.